Welcome to Geo Bachara. Today we are going to discuss about soil test. For this purpose, this chemical is required. So let's do the unboxing of this chemical, Agrinex. This is one chemical. Generally, it is used for the phosphorus testing. Then some test tubes are there. These are the test tubes. This is dropper. This is also another test tube. So 4 test tubes are there. By the help of this chemical, we can find out the amount, or we can taste the amount present in the soil, amount of potassium, phosphorus, nitrogen, and also we can see the pH level of the soil. So this is one chart is also given here, color chart. Later we shall discuss about it. Now let's see what is inside this box. Inside this container, some tablets are there. This is the red tablet. Next, black tablet. Next, yellow tablet. Yellow tablet is for potassium test. Black tablet is for phosphorus test. Red tablet is for nitrogen test, and more one tablet, green tablet, that is for pH test. So these are the full arrangement. Now the student is going to collect some soil sample. From the nearby field. Trying to show some style, just ignore. So from nearby field, some construction work is going on, and from there she is trying to collect a soil sample. She is so much excited because of this program or the project. This is the soil sample. We shall try to taste the nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus and pH level of this sample by the help of that test kit, soil testing kit. So now they all gather here. Now we have to cross it. We have to cross the soil. Now we have to collect the crusted soil. Then a specific measurement is there, means if we take 1 cup of soil, then must we have to take 2 cup of water. In this ratio, in soil is to water 1:2 ratio, we shall use it for the testing purpose. So now we have taken the soil sample and we'll add 2 cup of distilled water. Measurement should be perfect, otherwise there will be a variation between the real result and the result what we performed. So 2 cup of soil water has been added. Now in the meantime, we are trying to do another work for our coming project. So that's why we are cutting the bottles, same size bottles. About that project later we shall discuss. But let's see the technique to cut the bottles. Actually, we have kept that soil and water mixture for that sedimentation purpose. We are allowing that sample to be sedimented, and then we will take the upper clean water for the testing purpose. Here we are cutting the bottles like this way. This arrangement is going on for the next project, soil test related project. One project is there, later we shall discuss about it. Now this is the filter paper. So what sample we have collected? We have collected the upper clean water, but it was not so much clean. So that's why we are using this filter paper for the filtration purpose. Now this tablet, yellow tablet and yellow cap containing test tube. So we'll take out one tablet and just we'll try to pour all the chemical within this test tube. Now little sample, we'll take it out from the container and we'll place it within the test tube, and after placing the cap tightly, we'll shake it and then we'll place it for 20 minutes. Now next it is for the nitrogen test. Like that way, same process, same technique. Then green tablet for the pH testing. This is phosphorus testing. Same way we'll do this all these activities. But for the phosphorus test, some drops of another chemical is required. 4 drops of this chemical is required in addition. After that we have to shake it well. Then we have to keep it for 20 minutes. Now we have to see the color. We have to compare the color with this chart given. So let's see, the potassium is showing this color. This color you can see. This color, they are showing this color. It is matching. Next, in the case of this blue color, this is blue color. In the case of nitrogen, it is looking blue color. In the case of pH, you can see. No, this is not pH, this is potassium. Sorry, this is pH 4.5. Means it is so much acidic. And in the case of phosphorus, this is this color is just like this, 25 kg per acre. So now I think all color are clear to us. Means here phosphorus is 25 kg per acre soil, per acre field. It's 25 kg. After 2 hours again I observe this, and there is some differences between the primary observation and observation after 2 hours. Little mismatch, but it was near about same. In the case of nitrogen, now it is showing the second color. Means actually 10 kg per acre. Means the nitrogen in the soil is 10 kg per acre. Now in the case of phosphorus, it is looking near the third color. And third color actually 25 kg per acre. Means phosphorus is 25 kg per acre. And this is the pH level. pH level is looking near about 4.5 or 4.0. It is looking 4.5. So 4.5 means the quality of the soil is not so good. It is acidic in nature. And in the case of potassium, it is showing the second color, and it is 25 kg per acre. So according to this experiment, the soil quality is not so good. Later in another experiment, we will study elaborately. Thank you.